So how do you turn these into these?
Hi y'all, thanks for joining us. We're looking forward to doing more videos after taking some time to do some Draw With Me books and last year's art contest. We're also happy to be teaming up with Bryte Products on a new line of kids crafts, including rock painting kits. Today we're going to design a unicorn, a mermaid, and a butterfly. These will be aimed at beginners, but we'll also suggest a few options tailored for those intermediate or advanced creators. Again, we're happy to have Christie painting with us and our special guest, Ava. So let's dive in.
Clean your rocks with warm water. Be sure to scrub off all the dirt and dust, as paint doesn't stick to these surfaces all too well. Our next step is to paint the rocks a solid color that relates to whatever character you have in mind to produce. We'll be using acrylic water-based paints similar to those available in Bryte Products rock painting kits. Give your rock at least 2 coats of paint if you want it to appear vibrant and opaque. Some colors go on thicker than others, so they may require more layers. As all rocks are shaped differently, choose rocks that complement the type of character or creature you intend to create. To get started, you'll need some additional supplies: water to rinse your brush when switching colors, paper towels to clean up any spills, scissors, a pencil, crayon, or marker to draw out your characters.
So what do you think we should start with? Should we simplify this into some easier shapes?
Yeah, so like do the head first.
Okay, that's a good idea. So the head's kind of a circle shape, right?
Yeah.
So on this third of the rock, just draw a little circle. Okay, and then we'll do this side of her hair, so just draw a line kind of right on top of the circle like that. We'll have the hair come around, so connect that to the top of her hair over here, like that. Okay, all right, and then on this side of the hair, we'll just do a big swoop that goes all the way across the rock. So down and up and down and up a little bit. Good job. All right, and then join the swoop to the top. So down and up and down and up, and then connect it back to the top of her head there. Perfect. All right, and then we're gonna draw just some swoopy lines inside so we can do some different colors for the hair. Two. All right, so we have a head with some hair. Should we just go ahead and draw her face while we're at it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's draw her eyes. So start on the left and just draw a little eye shape there. Little arch, a little bit more of a subtle arch at the bottom.
That looks kind of creepy.
All right, that's fine. See, her head and eye is a little bit smaller, but that's totally fine. It's all right if your pictures look different. All right, draw an eye on the other side. Then you can draw a little pupil, just like that.
She's just gonna have all that.
Draw a little bit of an eyebrow there on each side. And just a little dot for a nose, and a little curve for a mouth at the bottom there. Awesome. It's looking good. Okay, now this is the complicated part. So drawing her body. So maybe draw a little bit of a line for a neck there. And another little line for a neck. And then draw a little angle here for her neckline. Okay, and then we're gonna draw her shoulder. So just a little curve here, and then all the way down to the bottom at an angle, like that. And then the other side of her arm, so kind of the same curve that goes all the way down, like that. Does that make sense? Okay, and then we'll just do a little bit of a hand here at the bottom. So You can just kind of close it off like that. Try to make it as simple as possible. Okay, and then finish off her top, so come around like that, and then back towards her arm, like that. Do a little line there. And then do her other arm on the other side like that. See that? Alright, and then bring this line around for her body. And then the top of her mermaid tail, so kind of come down and then connect that back up like that. Good job. All right, and then her mermaid tail will come up and then curve around to the side. And then we're going to use one of the accessories from the kit to finish it off with the mermaid tail coming off the side of the rock. So you can kind of draw most of her mermaid tail, and then the actual tail will be an accessory that comes off the edge. All right, that looks really good. Good job, Ava. So here we have our mermaids, all drawn and ready to paint. Very good. Awesome.
What do you want to start with first? What should we paint first?
Her face.
Her face, okay. So you can do whatever color you want for her skin. I'm gonna do this fleshy color, because that's the easiest for me. And with a dark background, we might have to do a couple coats of this.
I'm just gonna try to keep it away from all the lines.
The lines, yeah.
I just covered it with
I know, and it kind of looks freaky in this stage when everything's blue and you just have the flesh color. It's like she looks a little scary. But don't worry, little mermaid, we'll make you pretty. All right, so we're gonna do her face, and we're gonna do her neck.
She looks like a monkey head.
Her monkey. Yeah, we're doing like a little science experiment over here or something. All right, and then her belly.
I'm just gonna have to leave everything. Just gonna have no face for some.
No face? Yeah, that's okay too. And you can always paint faces on, or you can, after it dries, you can do markers, you can do glitter pens, you can do googly eyes. I think on this one we won't do googly eyes, but you could. Okay. Now I'm gonna let that dry for a second and do another coat.
Her torso is so much longer than
Let's see how yours is. Oh, that's looking good.
kind of.
I'm amazed that you drew this. You guys are so talented. You girls are so talented. Not guys.
Organized.
Or guys. But I think for now I might call it good. Ooh, what I could do.
She's very happy. Her eyebrows are
Very happy. Oh, I love it. I'm just gonna put a tiny little black pupil in her eye. Again, if you have a tiny rock, this probably isn't possible, but oh, looks great.
One of her eyebrows is
That
a little
looks
stressed out.
so good. Okay. So these are our two different mermaids. And they look so different, but so cool. Okay. Okay, what do you want to do first, Ava?
Glitter.
Should we do glitter? Okay. I'm going to do glitter, a little bit of glitter on her fin, and I'm going to do it in her hair.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what I'm gonna do. I'll work on the fin.
You're going to do the fin? Okay, I'm going to do hair. So I'm going to do purple hair. Give her hair some shimmer. And I'm going to outline it. Oh, this one, I'm just going to fill it in a little bit, just a really thin. So with glitter pens, most of it will dry and you'll have the paint left underneath, but then you'll be able to see the glitter. So I'm going to do that.
I have like all the glitter on my side.
Oh, I love it. Do some more glitter. I'm just gonna put it in the middle and then I'll spread it around. Looks good. Ooh, gold. I like gold. Golden hair. Okay, now I'm gonna get.
Here, you can use this.
Oh, you sure?
Another.
Oh, okay. Thank you. See, it's more fun to paint with somebody. You can share ideas or share paints, glitter pens. It's fun to bounce ideas off each other.
Alone. So lonely.
Yep. And it's more fun to talk with someone. All right, well, maybe we'll just show you our beautiful mermaids while our tails are drying.
Just gonna tap on it.
Yeah, there we go. And they turned out so cute. Yeah, I think this one's gonna go in my window. Good job, Ava. You're so good at this.
So here we have our finished rocks, mermaid, unicorn, and butterfly. It's always important to remember that these kits are designed to help you design in your own style and in your own way. So don't get discouraged. Only practice and have fun. Thanks for painting with us and tune in next time. Also remember to like and subscribe. Cheers.